Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick get ready with me video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when the next video is coming.
Morning guys. Alright, so I want to go to the store before I go to work. About 2 hours before I go to work. Let's see if I can get semi-ready and out of here by that time. Alright, so I'm using the Aura to clean my face here. The very next thing that I want to do is prime my face quickly. So we are using our Mercier. This is a pure canvas primer. I got this in an Influencer Vox Box. I'm telling you, I love Influencer. You get stuff and it's just really cool. So yeah. Anywho, so that's what I have been recently testing from Influenster. If you want a link so that you can start testing free products, I'll leave my link below and you can just go ahead and sign up and we can test together, right? All right, so like I said, what I wanted to do first was put that on my face, prime it. I have found that when I use this one from Mercier, my face, like, I don't know, I think it looks like ready to go. It's nice and clean. I'm not a big makeup person, but I do want my face to look like it's not showing all the pores in the world, you know? So if you can see, I'm kind of feeling nice and covered. All right, so the other thing that I got on that Vox box was the translucent powder from Mercier, and I also got the little puff, but here we go. And it just helps to kind of like matte down your face. I really did like it. It's something, it blends into your color, so you're not looking like a crazy person outside, looking cakey in different tones. What do you guys think? Not that bad, right? Okay, so I'm doing that. I wanted to get a couple of hairs out of my eyebrows, so doing that. They definitely need to be cleaned up, but for a quick, I want to go to the store. Ow. Ew. So, oh my god. Got this pencil. I like it a lot. It's from L.A. Colors. I like using it for my eyebrows. This is the darker one. Also using this from L.A. Colors. Okay, this one's a little different. I had gotten one. I don't know if it was L.A. Colors before, but it was a plastic container. This is a glass container. And it does come well protected, you see. Oh crap. Be careful in opening it. Alright. Been twitching, y'all. It drives me crazy. Do you see it? Oh, I'm doing the front. of the brows. Woo. On the lighter end. Just a little darker. How we're looking, y'all. Alright, so we did that, and I am going to just brush out these lashes. I'm going to just brush out these lashes. I got them done at Deca Lash in Tampa, and these are their full volume. What do you think, y'all? Anyways, so it's that easy when it comes to makeup and me, because this is all I need. I think an oily face and some nice eyebrows, and I am good to go. So thank you guys for getting ready with me. This was I'm going to the store real quick. See you later.